Hello everyone. Welcome to our Dot Mandala Art Workshop. I am Anmol and I am thrilled to be here with all of you. Before we dive in, let's talk about what Dot Mandala art is. What is Dot Mandala art? Where it was originated, types of mandala art, and why Dot Mandala art. Mandalas are much more than mere designs. Mandalas come from the ancient Indian language of Sanskrit meaning circle. Mandala are often circular in shape and can represent the universe, wholeness, and unity. In dot mandala, artists use tools like dot tools, brushes, or even simple objects to apply paint or ink in a dot mandala pattern, gradually building up complex designs. Mandalas have history in Buddhism and New Age spiritualism, which appeared in the 1970s and is based on Buddhism and psychology, where they are used as a meditative tool and a means of spiritual expression. Benefits of incorporating dot mandala art into your life and home aren't just a treat for the eyes, they come with a host of perks. It promotes relaxation. Their symmetrical patterns are like a lullaby for the mind. Enhance focus, perfect for those mindful moments. Boost creativity. A splash of colors can spark a world of imagination. Dot mandala art is a popular form of creative expression for several reasons. Therapeutic and meditative. The repetitive nature of dot painting can be calming and meditative, helping to reduce stress and promote mindfulness. Accessibility. It's relatively easy to start even for beginners. With basic tools and a steady hand, anyone can create beautiful designs. Creative freedom. There are endless possibilities in terms of patterns, colors, and sizes, allowing for a unique piece of every time. Visual appeal. The symmetry and vibrant colors of dot mandalas are usually striking and can be used to enhance home decor or personal items. Cultural significance. Mandalas have spiritual and cultural significance in various traditions, often symbolizing the universe, unity, and harmony. Community and sharing. Dot Mandala Art has a strong online community where artists share their work, techniques, and ideas, fostering creativity and connection. Creating dot mandala art involves a variety of materials, each contributing to the intricacy and beauty of the final piece. Here's a detailed overview of the material commonly used. Surface. The surface should be smooth. It can be rocks, canvas, wood panels, MDF board, or paper. Here I am using a flat surface. I am using a MDF board of 2 mm. We will need a rounder, a pencil, and a scale. For making grids and circles, we will be needing a paper for practicing patterns so that we do not make mistakes. Now we will be needing paintbrush for doing the base color. Now I will be showing you dot tools. These are flat dot tools. These are flat from surface from both the sides which can make proper dots using them. It comes in different sizes as well. These are specialized tools with rounded tips of different sizes. These are round tools which is also known as nail art tools. Here is a different type of round tools as well for big dots. Now we will be needing acrylic colors. I use Fevicryl colors which come in different vibrant colors. You can use pastel colors as well, but for now basic dot mandala we will use primary colors, and that wraps up our first part. In the next section, we'll explore how to create grids and circles, key elements in dot mandala art. This version emphasizes the importance of grids and circles while setting up anticipation for the next part. Grids and circles help ensure that your mandala is symmetrical and balanced. The grids and circles act as guides for placing your dots precisely. This structure helps you maintain consistent spacing, making the design look neat and professional. Moving forward, in part 2, we will be needing flat dot mandala tools. These are really important. Round tools. These comes with different shapes and sizes. a scale, a rounder, a pencil, and a thick sheet, along with fevicryl colors, acrylic colors. Don't miss out, part 2 is just around the corner. Stay tuned and get ready to transform your creative journey with the magic of dot mandalas.